Hello traders, so welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking one live trade with our strategy, and as usual I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same while you are trading. So if this is your first time visiting this channel and you are a beginner trader or you are a struggling trader, I can assure you that this is the best place to be, because what we do here is we take live trades and I do my best to analyze the whole trade setup so that you also can apply the same while you are trading. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to see our videos when next we post them. So without wasting further time, let's get started. This is binary auction, this is not forest, so you don't have to worry about stop losses. And I am currently on the platform of the for IQ options, and this is Euro JPY currency pair, and I am currently analyzing the 1 minute time frame, as you can see here, and I will be taking a trade for 5 minutes, so I will have that set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to analyze the chart. This for me in the previous times was a very smooth downtrend, but I can see that there is some obstruction to the price action because the market, this is a low. The market created a lower high, but it was unable to create a lower low. So you can see that this is the previous low and the market was unable to create a new low around here. So the market reversed and it went back to the previous resistance level, and I can see that the market is currently falling down after it hit this previous resistance. So I can say that this market, the inability for the market to create a new low will suggest to me that the market wants to go up in the future, because in a proper price action it was supposed to create, after this low, it was supposed to create a new low somewhere around here before it retraces back, but the retracement comes very quickly, sooner than expected, and I can see that the run was so sharp. You can see the strong buyer's entry, it was so sharp, and when the market moves this way, it's, for me, I consider this as the run phase, and the run phases are usually very strong and fast, and the retracement phases are usually very slow. They're usually very slow and weak. So I can consider this a retracement, because for me, I think this is the run and this will be the retracement. So I will have to draw some key levels to back up my claims. I am in the favor of the market going up in the future, so I will be getting ready to go with the buyers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some key levels, and I will get an horizontal level. I'll make this white and I will make this bold so that it can be visible. So let's go by price structure. The market, this is a low. It created a lower high, but it couldn't create a lower low. And by price action, price structure, this for me is the area in the recent structure that the market has broken around here. So I think I can, okay. All right, so the market has already taken off from here, and I think I missed this trade. I cannot see any strong levels around this area where the market is reversing from. Like, let me try to, okay. So this move is not a usual move. I don't believe this move This entry from the buyers is, for me, I think I don't trust this move because I cannot see any strong level. Only here and here. Oh, okay. Well, I do not believe this entry from the buyers. I do not believe this. I think the market should continue to come down because I cannot see any strong level. The only obvious level I can see is this area. So in the future, I think the market should come here. This would be the best area to buy, because by price structure, this is the previous structure. This is the previous support that the market has broken. So I think the market should retrace back to this support, and then we will have some weaknesses. Then we can go with the buyers. This entry from the buyer is not a real one. I think it's a fake entry, and the market should continue to come down. But I will look for some if I can get some proper weaknesses around this area, maybe I can go with the sellers, because I am for sure that the market should hit this level in the future. So this will take some time. So I will fast forward this video, and when I have the chance to take the trade, I am going to take the trade, and as usual I'm going to explain why I took this trade. So let's wait. So guys, I've placed my trade. Now let me explain why I took this trade. This is pretty much a simple setup, but we will have to wait to see what happens, because the market can behave any way it wants to behave. We cannot predict 100% what will happen in the market. We can only analyze the market, and we can only go with what we feel will happen when we have something to back up our claims. So I was expecting that the market should hit this level, but I'm not sure it's going to happen, because I noticed that the weaknesses, they came around this area, because this was a previous area of support in the past, and the market respected this area, so I had to bring my levels. I have to drop these levels so that I can wait for the market to get here, and I saw these weaknesses around this area, suggesting to me that the market is weak, and the sellers are already losing control of the market. So this was what these two candles suggested to me, that the sellers are already losing control of the market. And another thing I put into consideration before taking this trade is the strong entry from the sellers with this candle, and this shows to me that yes, that these weaknesses for me is real, because these weaknesses shows that the sellers already lost control of the market, and this strong buyers entry also shows that buyers are now in the market, and the market should be going up, at least should stay. I think this level will be broken. This level should be broken in the future, and that will confirm that this trend will continue to go up in the buyers direction, because for me, this downtrend is over because of this new low that came too early. It didn't break this previous low. So this horizontal level of support will not be useful. I have to take this off. So we will have to wait to see what happened at the end of the trade. The trade is currently running and it should be finished in the next 1 minute and 47 seconds. So let's wait for what happens at the end of the trade, and after this trade, the end of this trade, I'm going to explain further the reason why I have placed the trade. So let's wait. So guys, we've won this trade easily. Now let me explain why I took this trade. When I opened this chart, the market was around this area. So, and this is a strong downtrend. In the previous in the last 3 hours, the market has been trending down. This is a low that was supposed to have been broken, because when the market moves in the downtrend, it's going to create a series of lower lows, and you can see that when the market reversed, it creates a lower high. It was unable to create a new low, so the market reversed too soon and it went back to the previous resistance, which is very abnormal because of the inability of the market to create a new low. And this suggested to me that the market should be going up. And another thing is the market moved in a very sharp momentum from this level. It moved in a very sharp momentum, which shows that these buyers are very strong in the market. So what I wanted to do is I had to wait for the market to reverse back, because it needs to retrace. When the market runs like this, it needs a time to rest, to retrace. So this was the retracement. I thought that the market will at least hit this level in the future. I thought, because by price structure, this was the obvious structure that was broken by the market around this area. So I thought the market should be hitting this level in the future, but it didn't happen. The market it came to this level, and the weaknesses were very obvious, and this was the previous level of support in the past. So confirmed also by these weaknesses around this candle. This is the strong sellers entry, followed by this buyers entry as well. You can see that though this is a small candle, it is a hammer, which is suggesting that the market should be going up. This is a very small candle, but it carries a lot of information. Let me explain. Now, in this area of the market, buyers, the sellers, they pushed this market over to this level, and then the buyers, they pushed it all the way back up to here. You can see that it was a huge domination by the buyers in this level, followed by also this other hammer that followed. It shows a huge dominance of the market by the buyers. Now I entered this trade on this candle because of the strong entry from the buyers, which suggests that the buyers are totally in control of the market, and you can see that we have won this trade in the end. So this is a pure price action. You can see that though it was a downtrend the past 30 minutes, the past 3 hours, it has been a downtrend, but the price action has changed because of this area that market refuses to create a new low here. So the price action has changed, followed by the strong buyers run around this area. It shows that it is now becoming a buyer's market. And this was the retracement. I had to wait for the market to get weak. I got the weaknesses, and then I had to wait for the strong buyers entry as well, which I also got by this candle. So all in all, everything was in our favor. This is all about this strategy. I hope you've learned something from this trading setup, and you can also apply the same while you are trading. So if you find any value in this video, if you find any value in the trading setup, do well to hit the like button. This is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you be the first to see our content when next we post them. And this will be the end of this trading session. So till I see you again in my next trading session, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.